How to watch NFL on FireStick for without cable. There are a number of strategies for watching NFL broadcasts and on-demand content material on Amazon Fire TV Stick and Fire TV Cube. This information will stroll you through the steps for utilizing the NFL HearthStick app, which streaming companies supply NFL content material for affordable, and methods to watch the NFL without cost. Watch NFL on Hearth TV Stick with the NFL app. The simplest strategy to watch NFL content material on an Amazon Hearth TV Stick is to make use of the official NFL app. The app is free to obtain on Hearth Sticks and gives a wide range of free and paid viewing choices. Open the NFL app webpage in an internet browser. You may as well download the app directly on your Fire Stick, although utilizing your browser on a pill or laptop is way simpler and sooner. Choose the title of your Hearth Stick from the drop-down menu on the appropriate. Choose Get App. The NFL app will now start putting in your related Hearth Stick. In your Hearth Stick, open the NFL app. If you cannot see the NHL app, choose the icon with the 3 squares to open it from your Apps and Channels web page. It is best to now have entry to varied free NFL clips and exhibits within the NFL Hearth Stick app. To unlock extra content material, choose the profile icon within the top right nook. Choose TV supplier to log in along with your cable, web, or cellular account and unlock the remainder of the content material. It is going to solely work if NFL is a part of your present plan. On this display, you can too unlock content material by logging in with Paramount Plus. If the above 2 login choices did not work and also you wish to unlock the opposite NFL content material within the app, choose subscriptions to join NFL Sport Go, NFL's premium subscription service. You may as well join NFL Sport Go on the NFL website if you need. Annual subscriptions price $99.99. However, additionally they supply a 7-day free trial that allows you to watch all NFL content material in your Hearth Stick without cost. Watch NFL on Hearth Stick with different streaming apps. The official NFL app isn't the one strategy to watch NFL content material on Amazon's Hearth TV Sticks. The NFL Group has a number of broadcast and streaming offers with many companions that provide NFL stay streams and on-demand video to their viewers. Chances are you'll have already got entry to a streaming service or app that gives NFL content material by way of your cable, web, or cellular supplier. Test your plan particulars earlier than signing up for a brand new service. Listed below are a few of the extra well-liked NFL associate companies price testing in your Hearth Stick. Watch NFL with ESPN Plus. ESPN Plus is without doubt one of the greatest streaming companies for devoted sports activities content material and solely prices $5.99 per 30 days to make use of. ESPN Plus is also available in the Disney bundle with Disney Plus and Hulu for $13.99 per 30 days. No free trial for both possibility is accessible. Watch NFL with Fubotv. The Fubotv app gives over 100 cable channels, together with NFL, with plans beginning at $64.99 per 30 days. A 7-day free trial is accessible. It takes only some steps to get Fubotv on your Fire Stick. Watch NFL with Sling. Sling is just like Fubotv in that it additionally gives entry to many cable streaming companies as a part of a single subscription. ESPN and a number of other different channels can be found within the Orange plan, which prices $35 per 30 days. There's no free trial, however the first month is barely $10. Watch NFL with YouTube TV. YouTube TV contains each NFL and ESPN in its record of 70+ channels. YouTube TV does price around $64.99 per 30 days, but it surely additionally gives a 14-day free trial. Forged NFL video games to your Hearth Stick. Having hassle watching NFL content material in your Amazon Hearth Stick? Don't neglect which you could additionally cast video from apps and websites on your smartphone, tablet, and laptop to your Fire Stick to look at them in your TV. For instance, if the NFL app in your FireStick retains freezing or buffering, open the NFL app in your Android smartphone, begin watching a video, after which mirror your cell phone in your FireStick. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe. Don't forget to share.